Well, we are working in the garage doing another quick project. We are adding a more secure glove box to the Jeep. Alright, so one of the things Matt took out of his Jeep when he traded it in was the Tuffy Security Glove Box. We put a quick coat of paint on it. The glove box was a grayish color, or tannish color. So what does the Bible say about glove boxes? Pretty much nothing. But what's it say about security? Oh, it's got a lot to say about that. Let's take a look at a couple verses. Let's look at John 3:16 through 18.
For God so loved the world that he gave his only Son, that whoever believes in him should not perish but have eternal life. For God did not send his Son into the world to condemn the world, but in order that the world might be saved through him. Whoever believes in him is not condemned, but whoever does not believe is condemned already, because he has not believed in the name of the only Son of God.
Let's also look at Job 11:18.
You will be secure because there is hope. You will look about you and take your rest in safety.
Alright, let's get started. First thing we got to do, empty out the glove box, take it out.
Even though this glove box has a lock on it, is it a secure lock?
That's pretty easy. Not real secure. Just pinch the two sides in and pop it out. We can put it in without securing it, which just uses the existing screws, or we'll drill a couple holes in it and to make it a more secure system. Now would be a good time to replace your cabin filter if you need to.
I remember my first trip to Moab, Utah. I was in a Jeep without roof or doors. I had a glove box in the Jeep, much like the one we're taking out in this video. It really wasn't that secure. And I was nervous the entire trip that somebody was going to steal my camera because I had no place to put it that was really, truly secure. And it makes me wonder, why was I worrying so much about a camera but not my salvation?
It says drill a hole in here and then into the metal. You can't really see where that is.
Ironically, I don't even have that camera anymore. It's gone. It was a nice camera, but I was worried so much about that, but not something that was eternal. And I think that's something that we as people struggle with. We worry about the trivial things, the things that we buy with our money, the things that we use to fill our temporary needs of just feeling good. We don't look at the big picture. And that big picture is John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his only Son, that for whoever believes in him should not perish but have eternal life. For God did not send his Son into the world to condemn the world, but in order that the world might be saved through him. Whoever believes in him is not condemned, but whoever does not believe is condemned already, because he has not believed in the name of the only Son of God. Let me make a correction right here. This is John 3:16 through 18. Here we are. We're worried about our sunglasses and our wallets and our cameras. What about the salvation? We're putting this stuff in our Jeeps. We're making it more secure. But are we taking the time to make our life more secure?
That barely fits through.
Barely fits through. Really, is that how we want to go through life? Barely fitting through? Or do we want to make adjustments, much like I'm making right now, going, well, let's get this better?
We're such a tight fit right there.
Yeah, I don't know. A tight fit. I'm just not happy with that. I want something that is secure. I want to have the security of this, much like this box, I want the security of my salvation. that sounded good, but it just wasn't right. I still need to make adjustments, and I think we all do. And yes, sometimes that adjustment requires a hammer. And that's okay, as long as we continue to make those adjustments. Because just like in Job 11:18, you will be secure because there is hope. You will look about you and take your rest in safety. There we go. The proper fit. We are now secure.
Time to load it up. Lint roller for the wife. The grenade of happiness. Lip balm and stevia. Pair of tweezers. Things to make the wife happy. Woohoo!
Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. You have yourself a blessed day. See you in the next video.